Hello, it's Dr. Pat with Little Critters, and we have Helix with us today. He's a 4-year-old bearded dragon. He's under anesthesia right now, and we're doing the initial prep to clean him up. He has clogged femoral pores, so we're just going to show you that really quick, and then we'll show you afterwards. If we look here, these are natural femoral pores on the male bearded dragons that form secretions. And a lot of these beardies, as they start to get older, these pores get impacted and don't drain. And if you look, you can see the secretions on the top, but what you should also see is there's a buildup of secretions under the skin here. When you feel them, it's very hard nodules under the skin. You can see this whole area is one big buildup of secretions. And they get really uncomfortable with this. They can get infected. We just briefly anesthetize them with gas anesthesia, and then we go in and clean these out. We're doing a surface cleaning on him before we even get to that point. He is getting gas anesthesia. He has a Doppler ultrasonic probe. That's his heartbeat we hear in the background. And so we'll show you the after once we get this done. So we're under anesthesia. The site has been surgically prepped and cleaned, and we have sterile drape and instrumentation. And we're just using hemostats and digital pressure to try to loosen up the secretions that are blocking the femoral pores. And as you can see, we remove pretty large plugs in these pores. But the important thing here is there's often more below these. So using kind of digital palpation to feel what's under there and making sure after we've removed all of the obvious or frank plugs to go back in and clean and flush out each one of these is very important. And so we're just progressively going along. These plugs they feel like almost a hard wax. And so we're just trying to mold them or form them so we can get them out as intact as possible. So there's less debris left behind that we'll need to flush out. And this is a very rewarding and satisfying experience getting these out. The beardies can be uncomfortable with these. They can get infected. They can get really itchy. And so they do beautifully once we get this completed.